Hello everyone, welcome to online maths classes. So in previous video we solved up to third problem. In this video we are going to solve from fourth problem. Let us see the fourth one. So in the adjacent figure, PQ parallel to ST. PQ parallel to ST. These two lines are parallel. PQ parallel to ST. Angle PQR equal to 110 degrees. PQR equal to 110 degrees. And RST, angle RST equal to 130 degrees. Find angle QRS. You have to find this angle QRS. Okay, so first of all, you have to write the given. Okay, from figure, PQ parallel to ST and angle PQR equal to 110 degrees. Angle RST equal to 130 degrees. These two are given in the question. I am drawing a line parallel to ST through R. Okay, this is, let us take AB. Okay, so what you drawn? Draw AB parallel to CD, parallel to ST through R. AB drawn parallel to ST through R. Now, so from these two, already we know that PQ parallel to ST and ST parallel to AB. If two lines are parallel to a line, then the two lines are parallel. Therefore, PQ parallel to AB. PQ parallel to AB. So therefore, angle PQR plus angle QRA equal to 180 degrees, since interior angles on the same side of transversal. Okay, so these two angles are same side of transversal. Therefore, these two are supplementary angles. So here we know that angle PQR is 110 degrees. This is 110 degrees plus angle QRA equal to how much? 180 degrees. So angle QRA equal to 180 minus 110 degrees. That is angle QRA equal to 70 degrees. Okay. So AB parallel to ST. Therefore, this and SR is the transversal. SR is the transversal. Therefore, these two angles are, this total angle, that is ARS, are alternate interior angles. So AB parallel to ST and SR is the transversal. Therefore, angle ARS equal to angle RST, since alternate interior angles. Therefore, we know that RST is 130 degrees. Already we know this. So that is given in the question. So therefore, okay, angle RST equal to how much? 130 degrees. Therefore, angle ARS equal to 130 degrees. This total angle is 130 degrees. This angle we can write as sum of these two angles. This plus this and sum of these two angles. So that is angle ARQ plus angle QRS equal to 130 degrees. ARQ equal to, already we found, that is 70 degrees. ARQ or QRA both are same. 70 degrees plus QRS equal to 130 degrees. Angle QRS equal to 130 minus 70. Angle QRS equal to 60 degrees. So QRS equal to 60 degrees. So what is the question? Find QRS. That only we got angle QRS equal to 60 degrees. So next, fifth question is, in the adjacent figure, M is parallel to N. N lines are parallel. A comma B are any 2 points on M and N. So this A, B are any 2 points on the line M and N respectively. Let C be an interior point between lines M and N. This is the point C. It lies between M and N. Find angle ACB. So first of all, what is given? Okay, from figure, what are given? M is parallel to N. A comma B are points on M comma N respectively. Okay. So and C is the interior point between M and N. So C is lies between M and N. Have to find angle ACB. That means you have to find angle Z. This you have to find. What we are finding? Angle Z. Z you have to find. So to find that angle, I am drawing a line through C and parallel to M and N. I am drawing a line N through C parallel to M and also N. So draw N through C and N is parallel. Okay, this is, let it be P. So we have already N. So P is parallel to M. So automatically, therefore P is parallel to N also, because M is parallel to N and M is parallel to P. So P is parallel to N. Is the Z. So it is divided into two parts. Let it be, it is C1 and it is C2. C1 and C2. So here M is parallel to P. M is parallel to P and BC is the transversal and BC is transversal. Therefore angle X equal to angle C1, since alternate interior angles. Observe that too. So these two are parallel and it is the transversal. Therefore these two are alternate interior angles. And N is parallel to P and AC is the transversal. Therefore angle Y equal to angle C2, since same alternate interior angles. These two are alternate interior angles. So let it be the first one. It is the first one and it is second one. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. So are adding 1 and 2. I am adding these two angles. So that is angle x plus angle y equal to angle x plus angle y equal to angle C1 plus angle C2. That is angle x plus angle y equal to, what is the angle C1, C2? So Z from figure. Okay, so angle Z, angle x plus angle y equal to, what is the angle Z? So angle ACB. Therefore angle ACB equal to angle x plus angle y. Okay, so angle ACB equal to x plus y. So this is fifth one. Next to sixth one is find the value of A and B given that P parallel to Q, P parallel to Q and R parallel to S. So what is given from figure? P is parallel to Q and R is parallel to S. You have to find. Here we have this angle equal to 80 and this is 2A and B. So observe these two angles. So if P is parallel to Q, if R is the transversal, then 2A and 80 are corresponding angles. These two are corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal. Therefore 2A equal to 80. So P is parallel to Q and R is transversal. Therefore 2A equal to 80 since corresponding angles. These two are corresponding, same side of transversal, and one is interior, other is exterior. So A equal to 80 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are 0. A equal to 40 degrees. And so here R is parallel to S. R is parallel to S and Q is transversal. Q is transversal. So these two are parallel and it is the transversal. How these two are? These two are interior on the same side of transversal. Therefore 80 plus B equal to 180. Alternate angles on the same side of transversal. Okay, so therefore 80 plus B equal to 180. B equal to 180 minus 80. So that equal to 100. Therefore B equal to 100. So A equal to 40 and B equal to 100 degrees. So this is the sixth one. So in the next video, we'll do some more problems. Thank you.